Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about move command and their shortcut key. When I will do the work is any drawing, designing, from move command is very important. If you replace the anywhere, so use move command. So when you first of all create the any object like circle, I will use the circle here. Create the circle is particular, just I am click this here, 3-point circle. So like this is 3-point circle I have make, and I want to go to again I have create the another circle. So when again I will create this circle right now. Look at this, two different circle I have make. If I want to go to adjust this part, so if you click this point and maintain the distance also, this diagram here, look at this. Okay, so it is the tentative diagram, they are not the particular diagram. If I want to go to copy, so control CO, enter, CO, enter, and click this any part and join this center here. If I want to join this anywhere, so look at this. So this is called make the different circle, and I want to go to move command. How to use the move command? So first of all select this all component. Okay, no, control Z. First of all I select this all component, and this is called move command. So when I click the move, if you click again select this all body and go to enter, then which part you select and go to move, you have firstly deciding. I will decide this point, I will go to move. So when you click this here and stretch, again I show you. First of all select this all component and go to move command, then also click this particular point here and which place you want to go to. If you want to go to distance here, so when provide the 15 mm distance, so it is come to 50 mm distance, move from all diagram. Then how to use shortcut key in move command? So first of all select in move command and click the M enter. Just you click the M enter, this is show the move command here. Look at this. When I click the move command, so I will go to M enter, it is apply M enter, apply the move command and click anywhere and provide the distance. If you want to go to 20 mm distance, so it is go from 20 mm. Again I will show you, this is click the all diagram and click M enter. This is apply the move command and click the particular point, this point, and provide the distance here 25. Look at this. So move command very easy to work. You want to go to particular area and particular distance about go to move. So today has complete this session and how to use move command and shortcut key use for move command. So thank you.